Your floor gets dirty every single day. Pet hair, dust, food crumbs, it never stops. But the difference is, now you don't have to deal with it anymore. The MONSGA MR7 Pro handles the mess before you even notice it's there. Today we're taking a detailed look at the MONSGA MR7 Pro robot vacuum cleaner. We'll start by unboxing it, checking out everything included in the box, setting it up, and then testing its real-world cleaning performance. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Right after opening the box, we found 4 main items inside: the tray, the charging base, the robot vacuum itself, and an accessories box. Inside the accessories box, MONSGA included a user manual, a side brush, an extra mopping pad, a cleaning brush, and an additional dust bag. One mop pad already comes pre-installed, while the extra one is provided separately. There's also an extra dust bag stored inside the charging base, along with a small replacement filter. Now let's set up the charging base first. Attaching the tray is extremely simple. There are 2 slots located at the front bottom side of the charging station. You just align the tray and snap it into place. That's it. If we open the top cover of the charging base, we'll find another dust bag, a remote control, and even the batteries for the remote already included in the box, which is honestly a very thoughtful addition. So if you don't want to use the app every time, you can still control the vacuum directly with the remote. Now moving on to the main product itself, MONSGA MR7 Pro. Right on top, there's a sensor system along with multiple front-facing sensors and cameras for navigation and obstacle detection. We also get 2 physical buttons on top, a home button and a power button for quick control. On the bottom side, there's a large silicone roller brush in the center, 2 large wheels on the sides, and a smaller navigation wheel at the front. There's also a dedicated slot for attaching the side brush. The main roller brush feels extremely sturdy and well built. MONSGA designed it with a dual anti-tangle system, which helps prevent hair, fur, and debris from getting stuck and blocking the vacuum during operation. And the best part is, removing and reinstalling the brush is very easy for cleaning and maintenance. We also get a built-in water tank for mopping. There's a small water inlet covered with a silicone cap. You simply open the cap, fill the tank with water, and the system will automatically distribute water while mopping the floor. There's even a built-in filter inside the tank to help block dirt particles from entering the system. After filling the tank, we attach the mop pad by simply pressing it into place. Very quick and straightforward. Next, we connected the robot to the app. Just like any modern smart device, the setup process is simple and beginner-friendly. Once connected to Wi-Fi, the MONSGA MR7 Pro appears instantly inside the app. The first thing you'll want to do is quick mapping. The robot scans and maps your entire home automatically before starting the cleaning process. While mapping, you can see the cleaning progress, battery percentage, and real-time movement directly inside the app. This robot works on both carpets and hard floors. Speaking of power, the MONSGA MR7 Pro delivers up to 8,000 Pascal suction power, which is seriously impressive for a robot vacuum in this category. Combined with the dual anti-tangle roller system, it handles dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris extremely efficiently. The vacuum also features a moisture protection bottom plate and a large 4-liter self-emptying dust bag, giving you up to 90 days of hands-free dust collection. That means you barely need to touch the dirt yourself for months. For navigation, MONSGA included LiDAR smart mapping technology, along with support for up to 5 different map memories inside the app. So if your home has multiple floors or layouts, you can save and switch between maps easily. Battery life is also excellent. The robot provides up to 160 minutes of runtime and can cover areas up to approximately 2,690 square feet on a single charge. And if the battery runs low during cleaning, it automatically returns to the charging dock, recharges itself, and resumes cleaning exactly where it left off.
Charging. Dust collection starts.
The robot vacuum uses advanced radar technology to detect and avoid obstacles in real time, allowing smoother navigation and more efficient cleaning around furniture and household objects. Another great thing is that this robot can vacuum and mop simultaneously. The 460 milliliter water tank ensures consistent water flow during mopping, making floor cleaning much more effective. Once the mapping process was complete, the robot automatically returned to its charging station, and we could see the entire mapped layout live inside the app. The app interface is honestly very impressive and user-friendly. You can remotely control the robot even when you're outside your home. There are multiple cleaning modes available, including vacuum-only mode, mop-only mode, and combined vacuum plus mopping mode. You can also adjust water flow levels between low, medium, and high, depending on your floor type. Suction power can be switched between Eco, Standard, and Max mode, or fully customized room by room. For example, you can use Eco mode in larger rooms for longer runtime, and Max mode in smaller or dirtier areas for stronger cleaning performance. Everything stays saved inside the app automatically. There's also a very useful Find My Robot feature. If you can't locate the robot, simply press the option inside the app, and the robot will start making a sound so you can easily find it. The app also tracks cleaning records, dust collection history, and real-time status of consumable parts like the filter, side brush, roller brush, and mop pad. It even shows the remaining lifespan of each component based on usage hours. Another useful feature is customizable dust collection frequency. You can choose whether the dock empties the dustbin after every cleaning session, after multiple sessions, or manually whenever you want. For testing purposes, we spread some flour on the floor and selected a custom cleaning zone inside the app. The results were honestly very impressive. The robot cleaned quickly, accurately, and removed most of the mess in a single pass. You can even clearly see the freshly mopped finish left behind on the floor. Overall, the MONSGA MR7 Pro feels like a genuinely useful smart home upgrade. It's compact, lightweight, easy to use, and delivers surprisingly powerful performance for everyday cleaning. In today's busy lifestyle, most people already spend hours working outside or managing daily responsibilities. Coming home and still having to vacuum or mop the house can feel exhausting. And that's exactly where a robot vacuum like this makes a real difference. Instead of spending your valuable time cleaning floors every day, the MONSGA MR7 Pro quietly handles the job for you in the background, making daily life smoother, easier, and far more convenient. So that was our full review of the MONSGA MR7 Pro robot vacuum cleaner. If you want to learn more or check the product out for yourself, we've added the product link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.